Chess is a strategy game played on a checkered board with 64 squares. The objective of chess is to checkmate your opponent's king. Checkmate simply means the king is under attack and there's no legal moves to stop that attack. Now, on your quest to checkmate your opponent's king, you are given 16 pieces, as your opponent is given the same 16 pieces. Let's take a look at all of the chess pieces and their respective names. Both sides are given 8 pawns. After the pawns, both sides have 2 rooks. These are on the corners of the chessboard. Next to the rooks, there are 2 knights. Next to the knights, there are 2 bishops. Next to the bishops, we have the queen. And lastly, we have the king. King generally has a cross on the crown. Now, while the king is not the most powerful piece on the board, it is definitely the most important because if the king falls, you lose the game. If you are setting up a chessboard yourself, make sure that all of the pieces line up with your opponent's pieces, meaning all the rooks should line up, the queen should be on the same file, the king should be on the same file, and all the pieces should be on the same file. One thing you'll notice on a chessboard is there are both numbers as well as letters. Letters are going to represent the file. The queens are going to be on the D file. The numbers are going to represent the rank. The pawns for black are going to be on the 7th rank. For whites, the pawns are going to be on the 2nd rank. Understanding files and ranks makes it very easy to understand where a chess piece is on the board, as well as where a chess piece is moving. If someone says that the pawn moved to the E4 square, you can first look at the E file, and then you can look at the 4th rank, and you can see that the pawn has moved to the E4 square. In a chess game, white goes first, followed by black, and both sides alternate moving one piece at a time until someone has checkmated their opponent or until there is a draw. In later videos, we'll get into how to checkmate your opponent and how a game can end in a draw.